Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Beetles Gel Polish and swatching them for you, so keep watching and let's get into the video. Okay, so when you open up the box, it's quite a fancy little box. It's got little ladybugs and, well, okay then, lady beetles, or representing beetles, makes sense. It's quite cute. Okay, firstly, cool. Telemeters. So you've got your base. Whoa, sorry about that, guys. I just went for a trip down memory lane. Yeah. So you've got your base, you've got your matte top coat, and you've got your shining top coat. And then the good stuff, we have the colors. Oh wow, okay, so they've got numbers on the top of them. So maybe I really don't need to swatch them all. But I'm going to anyway, so this is 622. Let's just put that there for a second and have a look at this beautiful color. Oh my god, it's like it's got little tiny stars, glitter stars in it. I know you can't see that, but it looks so amazing. And then 1.7 fluid ounces, which is 5 mils, which is not bad considering you get 20 polishes. I mean, let's be real. Okay, so this is 622. Maybe I should have wrote on these before I started the video. Anyway, doesn't matter now. So let's do this. I want to keep it in frame so you guys can see it. So maybe we move this big box out the way and we get all the polishes out. And I'm going to top matte half of them and I'm going to gel top the other half. I should just go for shine. We'll decide later. So why am I doing this? I'll go into a bit of a till it goes in with it. Again, starting late school. She start in July, which I'm pretty excited about. I mean, like, okay, so here we go with the swatching. So if you can hear that, that's my cat in the background. Her name's Nova. That's her bell running around. You'll get to meet her probably in a video here and there when she jumps up. So say hi, everyone. Oh, it's so pretty. It does have tiny little stars in it. Oh my goodness. This, I could imagine, especially under like a bronzy brown or oh my goodness, it is so pretty. And this camera is not going to give it any justice whatsoever. But look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? So we're just going to pop that in the light. And we're going to let it cure. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And just remember, when I hit 100 subscribers, there'll be a big giveaway. One of the things you already know about, it is the e-file. However, there are items that you don't know about. Most of them are either doubles of things that I've ordered or things that I've just accumulated and thought, well, I'd like to give back, considering it's hard to stay on this grind. I'm not going to lie to you all, and that's the first thing I should be doing, is making sure these gel polishes do not get in the UV light. So we will move them over there. Okay, so